Living alone doesn't mean you should compromise on nutrition or spend hours cleaning up after dinner. In fact, some of the healthiest, most satisfying meals come together in just one pan. Today, we're diving into 10 incredible one-pan dinners specifically designed for seniors living independently. These aren't just easy recipes, they're nutritionally balanced, budget-friendly, and most importantly, they'll leave you with minimal cleanup. So if you're tired of complicated recipes or eating the same thing every night, stick around, because we're about to change your dinner routine forever. Why one-pan meals matter for senior health. Before we jump into the recipes, let's talk about why one-pan meals are particularly beneficial for seniors living alone. First, there's the obvious advantage. Less cleanup means more time enjoying your meal and relaxing afterward. But beyond convenience, one-pan cooking actually encourages better nutrition. When cooking feels like a chore, we're more likely to skip it entirely and reach for processed foods. One-pan meals remove that barrier. These meals also help with portion control. When you're cooking for one, it's easy to either make too much or too little. The recipes we're sharing today are perfectly portioned, reducing food waste and ensuring you're getting the right amount of nutrients without overeating. And here's something many people don't consider. One-pan meals often incorporate multiple food groups in a single dish. You're getting your protein, vegetables, and healthy carbohydrates all working together, which is exactly what our bodies need as we age. Now, let's get into these delicious recipes. Mediterranean baked salmon with vegetables. Our first recipe is a Mediterranean-inspired dish that's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart and brain health. Start with a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Place a 6-ounce salmon fillet in the center. Around it, arrange cherry tomatoes, sliced zucchini, bell peppers, and red onion. Drizzle everything with olive oil, then season with garlic powder, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Add a few slices of lemon on top of the salmon. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 18 to 20 minutes. The salmon should flake easily with a fork, and the vegetables will be perfectly tender. Why this works? Salmon provides high-quality protein and those essential omega-3s we mentioned. The colorful vegetables deliver antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. The healthy fats from olive oil help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. This meal supports cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and provides anti-inflammatory benefits, all from one pan. Chicken and sweet potato skillet. This comforting dish combines lean protein with complex carbohydrates for sustained energy throughout your evening. In a large oven-safe skillet, place 1 chicken breast, seasoned with paprika, garlic powder, and a pinch of cayenne. Cube 1 medium sweet potato and arrange it around the chicken. Add Brussels sprouts cut in half, and drizzle everything with a tablespoon of olive oil. Start on the stovetop over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes to get a nice sear on the chicken. Then transfer the entire skillet to a 425-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. The nutritional benefits here are impressive. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in your body, essential for eye health and immune function. Chicken provides lean protein necessary for maintaining muscle mass, which becomes increasingly important as we age. Brussels sprouts add fiber, vitamin K for bone health, and vitamin C for immune support. One-pan turkey meatballs with roasted vegetables. Here's a recipe that feels indulgent, but is incredibly nutritious and easy to prepare. Mix ground turkey with breadcrumbs, 1 egg, Italian seasoning, minced garlic, and a bit of Parmesan cheese. Form into 4 or 5 meatballs. On a sheet pan, place your meatballs alongside broccoli florets, sliced carrots, and cauliflower. Season the vegetables with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Bake everything at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes, turning the meatballs halfway through. Turkey is an excellent source of lean protein and contains tryptophan, which can promote better sleep, something many seniors struggle with. The cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower contain compounds that support detoxification and may have cancer protective properties. This meal also provides plenty of fiber to support digestive health. Baked cod with asparagus and tomatoes. Fish can be intimidating to cook, but this recipe makes it foolproof. Place a cod fillet on a sheet pan. Arrange asparagus spears on one side and halve cherry tomatoes on the other. Drizzle with olive oil and season with lemon zest, fresh or dried thyme, salt, and pepper. Add thin lemon slices on top of the fish. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. The cod will be flaky and tender, and the asparagus will have a slight crunch. Cod is a mild-flavored fish that's rich in protein, but low in calories and fat, making it perfect for maintaining a healthy weight. Asparagus is a natural diuretic and contains folate, which supports cell function and tissue growth. The combination of these ingredients also provides vitamin D, which works with calcium for bone health, critically important for preventing osteoporosis. Pork tenderloin with apples and root vegetables. This autumn-inspired dish brings together savory and sweet flavors in perfect harmony. Slice a small pork tenderloin into medallions and season with sage, rosemary, salt, and pepper. On a sheet pan, arrange the pork alongside cubed butternut squash, sliced carrots, and apple wedges. Drizzle with olive oil and a touch of maple syrup. Roast at 425 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Pork tenderloin is surprisingly lean and provides high-quality protein along with B vitamins, particularly B12, which is essential for nerve function and red blood cell formation. Butternut squash delivers vitamin A and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. The apples add natural sweetness and fiber while supporting gut health. This is comfort food that actually comforts your body at a cellular level. Shrimp and vegetable stir-fry sheet pan. Who says stir-fry needs a wok? This sheet pan version delivers all the flavor with none of the constant stirring. Toss peeled shrimp with snap peas, sliced bell peppers, and broccoli florets. Make a quick sauce with low-sodium soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a tiny bit of honey. Pour over everything and mix well. Spread on a sheet pan and bake at 400 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. The shrimp will turn pink and the vegetables will be crisp tender. Shrimp is one of the best sources of selenium, a mineral that supports thyroid function and acts as an antioxidant. It's also rich in astaxanthin, which gives shrimp its pink color and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. The variety of colorful vegetables ensures you're getting a wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Plus, this meal is ready in under 15 minutes. Perfect for those evenings when you're hungry and don't want to wait. Balsamic chicken with green beans and potatoes. This classic combination never gets old, and for good reason. It's nutritionally complete and absolutely delicious. Place one chicken thigh or breast in the center of a sheet pan. Surround it with small baby potatoes cut in half and fresh green beans. Whisk together balsamic vinegar, olive oil, Dijon mustard, and honey, then drizzle over everything. Season with salt, pepper, and dried basil. Roast at 425 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Chicken provides complete protein with all essential amino acids your body needs. Potatoes, often unfairly criticized, actually offer vitamin C, potassium, and resistant starch that feeds beneficial gut bacteria when they cool slightly. Green beans add fiber, folate, and vitamin K. The balsamic vinegar not only adds flavor, but may help regulate blood sugar levels, an important consideration for preventing or managing diabetes. Vegetarian chickpea and vegetable bake. You don't need meat to get adequate protein, and this plant-based option proves it. On a sheet pan, combine drained chickpeas with cubed eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and red onion. Toss with olive oil, cumin, coriander, paprika, and a pinch of cinnamon. Roast at 400 degrees for 30 minutes, stirring once halfway through. Serve with a dollop of Greek yogurt if desired. Chickpeas are nutritional powerhouses. They provide plant-based protein, fiber, and resistant starch that promotes digestive health. They're also rich in manganese, folate, and iron. The variety of vegetables adds antioxidants and phytonutrients. This meal is particularly beneficial for supporting stable blood sugar levels and promoting satiety, so you won't feel hungry an hour after eating. Herb-crusted tilapia with Mediterranean vegetables. Another fish option because variety is key to getting all the nutrients your body needs. Season a tilapia fillet with a mixture of dried herbs, parsley, dill, and a bit of lemon pepper. Place on a sheet pan with sliced eggplant, cherry tomatoes, and artichoke hearts. Drizzle with olive oil and add capers for a briny punch. Bake at 375 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Tilapia is mild and affordable, making it accessible for regular consumption. It provides protein and is low in mercury compared to some other fish. Artichoke hearts are excellent for liver health and contain cynurin, which may help lower cholesterol. The Mediterranean vegetables provide antioxidants that combat cellular aging. This meal supports cardiovascular health while being gentle on your digestive system. One-pan beef and broccoli. Our final recipe takes a takeout favorite and makes it healthier and easier to prepare at home. Slice a small sirloin steak thinly against the grain. Toss with broccoli florets and sliced mushrooms. Make a sauce with low-sodium soy sauce, minced garlic, ginger, and a splash of rice vinegar. Mix everything together on a sheet pan. Broil on high for 8 to 10 minutes, watching carefully to prevent burning. Beef provides heme iron, which is more easily absorbed than plant-based iron, helping prevent anemia, a common concern for seniors. It also supplies zinc for immune function and B12 for neurological health. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable loaded with vitamins C and K, while mushrooms provide vitamin D, especially if they've been exposed to sunlight. This meal supports energy levels, immune function, and bone health. Essential tips for one-pan success. Now that you've got 10 amazing recipes, let me share some tips to make your one-pan cooking even more successful. Tip number 1. Invest in quality sheet pans. You don't need expensive ones, but having 2 or 3 good quality pans makes a difference. Look for heavy-duty aluminum pans that won't warp in high heat. Tip number 2. Parchment paper is your friend. It makes cleanup even easier and prevents sticking without adding extra fat. You can also use aluminum foil, but parchment is generally better for even cooking. Tip number 3. Cut vegetables uniformly. This ensures everything cooks at the same rate. If your carrots are huge chunks and your zucchini is thinly sliced, they won't finish cooking at the same time. Tip number 4. Don't overcrowd the pan. Vegetables need space to roast properly. If they're too close together, they'll steam instead of caramelize. If needed, use 2 pans rather than cramming everything onto one. Tip number 5. Prep ingredients ahead. On a day when you're feeling energetic, chop vegetables and store them in containers. When dinner time comes, you'll just need to arrange and cook. Tip number 6. Adjust seasonings to your dietary needs. If you're watching sodium, use fresh herbs instead of salt. If you need more calories, add an extra drizzle of olive oil. These recipes are templates. Customize them for your specific health requirements. Tip number 7. Batch cooking works with